Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to remove Wi-Fi password from your device. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have the setting app available on your device. So let's open it. Now see, this is the inbox of your settings and you should have to tap on network and internet. So tap on it. Now tap on internet. Then scroll down below and tap on saved networks. Now select the network which you want to remove the password. So I am going to remove this. So tap on key icon which is available on the right side of your screen. Then from here you can see the option of forget and share. So you should have to tap on forget, which is also available on the left side of your screen. Now see, you have successfully removed the password and connection from the saved networks from your device, and that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.